Hey guys, so I have my living glove here. We're starting to get things nice and neat for the spring, so I want to just show you what I do. So I actually don't even take my screens out. I'm not going to breathe because it's going to actually come right into my lungs. So I don't know if you see all the pollen that's coming into our house, which is great because I just cleaned my floors, so I'll do them right again. But that's what's great about our dust fibers. It'll pick up all that dust and pollen. So this is easy peasy. Now you're wondering what side I'm using. I am using, the strong side. You can use this side, I'll actually draw it in, but I like to push all the pollen out, so I do use this side. So I do all that, and there's a lot in here. And don't forget to do all the tracking. This winter, we just had lots and lots of grunge. So you'll see it all gets all trapped in here. And I'll just bring you down here. So just pull it all down here. So you can see I can pull it all down. Now, the other part I want to show you is, sorry about that, is down in here. So you want to get down in here. Oh boy, I'm gonna need some extra water. Look at that. Oh boy, it is dirty and filthy. And then when I want to just kind of clean it up and pick up all the extra debris, I just flip it over and kind of sweep it up with this side. And then in here, oh, that's so much better. I feel better, knowing this is getting super, super clean. And I forgot to get my annual fill, so it's gonna air dry right now. And flip it over, because look at, I don't know if you can see with the lighting here, but it is like there, and look at, it is so better, so much better, wow. It's just one of those things that we kind of, well, I don't know about you, but I kind of leave it go over the winter. But then once we start using outside, this needs to be perfect. So, yeah, I'm going to give this a rinse out. Let me just see if I can just turn it. Can you see how dirty it is? So that's a little tip for you guys. Get your medium strong glove out, and this is to pick up grime. This is what grime is, and dirt, and just get some really good spring cleaning out. And it's like so much, it's addictive, because then you start seeing other spots that you need to get, and happy cleaning. If you want to get your hands on this, or you want to get it for free, let me know and I would be happy to hook you up. Okay, that is all for now, and keep tuning in. Let me know what your favorite ENJO is, and tune in, and I'll just keep on doing these quick tips to keep your home working and the best way for you. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.